In this video lesson, you'll learn how to use mask layers in SmartSHOW 3D. They will help you create eye-catching animation effects for your photo slideshows. Launch the program. Click on the storyboard with the right mouse button and insert a blank slide. Open the slide editor and choose a suitable background from the built-in collection. Add your photo to the slide and push the stretch button. Now, let's add a mask layer. There are hundreds of ready-made presets to choose from. Pick the one you like and add it to the slide. Select the layer to apply the mask to. This time, it'll be the photo. Using the layer settings, you can also invert masks and blur their edges. Let's create stunning animation using the chosen layer mask. For a start, place the layer mask outside the slide borders. This position is fixed in keyframe number 1. Add keyframe number 2 to the timeline and drag the mask to the slide so that it shows the main part of your photo. Add keyframe number 3 and keyframe number 4, where the mask will become smaller and then bigger. To change its size, click the magnifying lens button. When you've finished editing the slide, preview your animation. Now, let's create a cool animation effect using your own mask and 2 photos at once. Click Add Layer, Mask Layer, and add your image or clip art. Apply the mask to both photo layers and start working on their animation. In keyframe number 1, make the mask small so that the photo is almost invisible. Add keyframe number 2 and increase the mask size. Now, the viewer will be able to see the photo. In keyframe number 3, decrease the mask size again. Restore the mask size in keyframe number 4 and rotate it by 90 degrees. Preview your animation. The upper photo should gradually disappear. To do it, create 2 more keyframes. Don't change any settings for keyframe number 2. Set the opacity level at 0 for keyframe number 3. Now, the viewers can see the second photo. Mask layers are perfect for creating animation effects for multi-photo slides. Here, for example, you can see 3 photos that follow one another. Let's add an oval mask to the slide and apply it to all the photos. Click Play to make sure the animation works properly. You can also make your photos move across the slide. Switch to the Camera Animation tab and place the photos outside the slide borders. You can do it using the position arrows. In keyframe number 2, the photos will appear on the slide. Move to the bottom and grow bigger. Add keyframe number 3, but don't change any settings. In keyframe number 4, move the photos to the right. Once again, don't apply any changes in keyframe number 5. Position the photos at the slide center and increase their size in keyframe number 6. Watch your mask-powered animation in action. Create all kinds of animation effects for your slideshow projects in SmartSHOW 3D.